Most people spend 8 hours a day working. But what if you could get more done in 3 hours and still have time to actually live your life? POV, I built a 3-hour workday that beats a 9 to 5, and it changed everything.
For years, I followed the system. Wake up tired, rush morning, sit, scroll, force focus, work until brain fried. Repeat. 8 hours a day, yet always behind. I realized the real problem wasn't time, it was energy. My day was a leaky engine. No matter how hard I pressed the gas, I barely moved. Our brains have only a few golden hours, moments where focus feels like flight. After that, everything becomes drag. But the system taught us to push through exhaustion instead of protecting momentum. Productivity isn't about hours stacked, it's about precision. Like a sniper, not a machine gun. 3 hours of clarity can outperform 8 hours of noise. Step 1. Protect the peak. Find your brain's prime time. For me, it's 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. No texts, no noise, no multitasking. That window is sacred. It's not work time, it's creation time. Step 2. Build rituals, not motivation. Motivation fades, rituals don't. Start with the same simple cue every day, like tea, music, or stretching. It's the ignition key for deep work. Step 3. Design a finish line. Most people start their day, but never finish it. Set a visible end, 3 hours, timer on. When time's up, walk away. This teaches your brain urgency and recovery. Step 4. Guard energy like currency. Every decision drains focus. That's why I batch boring stuff, emails, errands, chats, after the 3-hour sprint. Energy is your real salary. Spend it wisely. Step 5. Measure depth, not duration. Don't ask how long did I work. Ask how deep did I focus. 1 hour of flow yields 10 hours of shallow work. The goal isn't more hours, it's more aliveness per hour. In the old world, I worked 8 hours to deserve rest. In the new world, I work 3 hours to amplify life. Focus, then freedom. Create, then breathe. I built a life that doesn't need weekends to feel alive.
You weren't born to live in an inbox. You were born to build, to move, to feel, to grow. The future doesn't belong to the busiest, it belongs to the most aligned. 3 hours of honest, undistracted focus each day can change your income, your confidence, your identity. Start small, but start now.
If you're ready to escape the 9 to 5 autopilot, hit that subscribe button. Let's design a life where freedom is the schedule.